What's up, everyone? I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today, I will be doing a short video showing you what affiliate marketing is. Stay till the end and you will understand how this works. This is me, the affiliate. I'm Dr. Loendi. This is the company who's selling the products. And this is the consumers who will buy the products of the company. As affiliate, I need to make more money, of course. Don't you think so? The company needs to sell more products to consumers, and to get help selling more products to consumers, they ask me to be an affiliate and they will pay me for every sale I make. This is cool. I think so. Basically, I'm the middleman woman between the company and the consumer. I work independently as an affiliate. And the best news, I don't have a boss. I am my own boss as an affiliate of the company. I have to find consumers, and here is the key. They must be interested in the company's products. I will tell them about the company's products, and then I will check if they bought the product. Here is why the product is good for you. Did you buy it? No? Now I will continue my sales technique and tell them the benefit of the product and what they will experience when they buy the product. So, did they buy the product after this session? No. The next steps I will be using is showing my customers the results from other people who did benefit from this product and what they say about the product. What was good about the product? And I will check again. Did the customers buy the product? Yes, they bought the product. The consumer made a purchase. They're happy with the company's product. The company got a new customer. And I, as an affiliate, am happy as I will get my commission from this sale and I still have no boss. You want to be like me and start your own affiliate business today? Click on the link below for a free proven strategy to create your own affiliate business starting today. I'm personally following a proven, legit strategy that's working for me. You can sign up today and I will be your mentor. If you need more information, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell and give me a thumbs up. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com. I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the other side of the screen.